We're getting kicked off for day 2 here in Europe. Everybody get ready to rumble. Who will fall? Fox is low. Audrey's got no more backup, but he's got but he's done. And Diamond's going in. There goes the Lancer's fight, and Giants are staying alive inside of it all, but Audrey will melt. Shachi, everyone's going low here. Peppy will dodge away, but it's not going to be enough. It looks like the Unicorns are running rampant over the Giants. The Unicorns of Love will start off with a 2-0 in spring. Grand challenge is issued on Takami, and he doesn't stand a chance. Steve picks him up. Go, Steve!
Nice! Nice! Tell me.
Second mid.
Zed!
Let's go.
Elements pick up their first win over Splice.
Okay, now when you need my love.
And now with the hotline bling.
I will try to carry Shuk's lax off a bit.
Yeah. You might have to pick up here and there, but same.
Baron's down to 2,000. This is going to get close. Attica too slow. Fimvin's gone in. It's secured by EpicSkillshot of all people. And Vitality bounced back to beat Fnatic.
Go for tower. Thrice no ulti. We can fight this. I can go over the wall here. I go.
Go guys. Good guys.
Bro.
I'm tanking. Back.
And H2K go 2-0 in week 1. Flash away, there's no flash for Betsy. He's ghosting in, and Betsy 1v1's perks.
I got there.
Nice.
Go. Okay. Yes, go.
Nice. G2 undefeated